What's up, y'all? This is my vlog 291, I think. So I've been coughing all day long. Coughing. And blowing my nose constantly all day long. And on top of that, I have an upset tummy too. So I've been taking the Mucinex DM 12-hour capsule pills. My doctor at the hospital prescribed that for me. And I've been taking the cough and pearls too. So I take it, I'm coughing a lot because all the phlegm and mucus and everything is trying to come out. And that's why the medicine, I think, is working, because now everything's trying to come out. I don't know. I just hope I don't have a sinus infection now, because on top of having a respiratory infection, because I've had sinus infections a lot in the past, and I can tell the symptoms and if they're there. So I'm not claiming I have a sinus infection in Jesus' name. I'm just trying to communicate with y'all what's on my mind. But I know what to take for that, and it's over the counter. So I want to get some, it's these Benadryl pills for sinus infections that you can take that work extremely well. They're these little red round pills. But I don't want to get them because, I don't want to get them and take them with this Mucinex and then these coughing pearls, because then that's going to be too much medicine, and I'm an Adderall too, so I don't want to be taking all that medicine at once. So I'm just trying to see how this all works with the Mucinex DM, and give it about 2 or 3 more days, and then if this doesn't clear up, then just go ahead and get the other stuff for my sinuses. If I sound like I'm talking funny, it's because I'm trying not to cough. So I'm off again tomorrow. Try to get some rest. I hate being sick. I will go. I'll see y'all tomorrow.